How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Josh Guerrero. I'm a realtor here with the Luevanos Group with eXp Realty, your 562 realtor. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm in the beautiful city of Lakewood, California. Before I tell you about this property, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. You don't want to miss out on the home tours we post every single week all across LA and Orange County. If you want to see any of these properties, hit me up. All my contact is below in the description. So like I said, guys, I'm here in Lakewood today, in the Lakewood Park Village district here of Lakewood. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathroom property, 1,400 square feet of living space on a 5,000 square foot lot. Detached 2-car garage, long driveway that leads to the back, and you still got some grassy area, some place there for the kids to play, or if you want to host, things like that. The house itself, fully renovated, inside and out. Recessed lighting, new floors, new paint. It's a perfect starter home for a family, guys. Neighborhood's very quiet. School district is Long Beach School District, very young, Long Beach Unified School District, very good school district here in Southern California. Let's go check this property out. guys, once again, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this property. Once again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on these properties. And if you want to see any of them, hit me up. All my contact is below in the description, guys. I'll see you in the next one.